Hello everyone and welcome to the next episode of Finding Your Perfect Cyprus Venue. My name is Rosa-Martina from Royal Wedding Cyprus, and today I'm going to show you the beautiful Liopetro Venue. This venue is located just 15 minutes away from Paphos and just outside of Kouklia village. Liopetro is an exclusive venue. It is beautiful, authentic and fully booked for 2025. Also already getting booked up for 2026 and 27. So if you like it, feel free to contact us for more information and availability. So without further ado, let's discover these beautiful venues for ourselves. Right as you come into the venue, you're welcomed by this cute little area where you're having your welcome drink, and you can opt for a glass of Prosecco or a non-alcoholic fruit punch. The price is €7 per person. The bar is just here, so the service is very quick and efficient, and there are a few nice little tables where guests can sit and enjoy their drink. After the ceremony, and I'm going to show you the ceremony venue shortly, we're coming back up here to have the cocktail reception. The cocktail reception packages you can opt for are 1 hour unlimited drinks, and they're starting from €22 per person if you don't want them to include spirits, and from €29 per person if you want them to include spirits. You can also choose to have your cake cutting here at this area, the long table just over there, in which case everybody can see it and witness it. Or you can decide to do it just before dinner at the dinner venue, which we're going to reveal to you shortly. These nice sofas here are also part of the cocktail area, so if you'd like to have a seat here and enjoy your drink before the ceremony starts or after during the cocktail reception, you can do so. The venue has a beautiful bridal suite. It is located just behind me, right over there with a cute little window, and the bride can come here with her bridesmaids from 12 o'clock and get ready in the bridal suite. Have her makeup done, have her hairstyle done, and enjoy a few drinks. If she wishes to come earlier, she can definitely do so, but then an extra fee of €200 per hour applies. A fun fact is that because of that little window, she can actually see the guests arriving to the area through the door, which is right over there. So she can see her groom and she can see her guests, but they cannot see her just yet. Let me just quickly remind you that our series are being filmed on real wedding days, so whatever you see around as decoration and setup, it is from today's wedding. And now please follow me to the ceremony venue. This is the way the groom and the guests are coming. The bride is coming over there from the bridal suite, and this is basically the start of the aisle itself. And here I'm actually at the end, the final part of my aisle, just before I reach my groom. This is the ceremony for today's wedding. It's all set up with fresh flowers and they look amazing. The chairs that you see, the wooden bistro chairs, are included in the venue hire fee. If you wish to have any other chairs like Shivari chairs or ghost chairs or any other type of chairs, then they're gonna be an extra charge. And here we are at the dinner venue, the Zeus Square, which can host up to 120 people for dinner. The setup included in the venue hire fee are the wooden rectangular tables which complement the style and the authenticity of the venue, and the chairs which we saw earlier at the ceremony, the wooden crossback chairs. If you wish to have any other setup or other chairs or let's say other tables, they're an extra cost. For example, the round tables with the white linen are extra cost of €50 per table. It is important also to note that the lights that you see above my head are included in the venue hire fee. The lights around, the curtains, are extra, so they have been booked extra for today's wedding. The venue hire fee at the Liopetro is €1,700. There is a minimum charge of €5,000 as a total bill on your day, which includes the venue hire fee, the food and the drinks consumption. If you want to switch the venues, which means to have your ceremony here at the Zeus Square and have your dinner over there at the Aphrodite Circle, you can certainly do so. The Aphrodite Circle is a little bit bigger and it can host up to 200 people. Just outside the venue and currently behind me, you can see the beautiful 12th century church Panayao di Gitria. So if you want to opt for an Orthodox ceremony or an Anglican ceremony, you can do so at the beautiful church and then continue with your cocktail reception, dinner and party at the Liopetro. The church is also an amazing place for photos and a favorite place for the photographers and videographers for the sunset shoot. The Liopetro actually has a backup plan in case of bad weather. This is the secret garden venue just behind me, and it can host up to 50, maximum 60 people. So in case of bad weather, you can have your dinner and party here. The food is truly amazing, but you don't have to take my word for it. The Liopetro has won 5 consecutive times the Gold Taste Award from the Best Cyprus Food Awards. The 2024 is in the office. I saw it with my own eyes and is soon to join the wall. The menus at the Liopetro are compiled with the guidance and supervision of a Michelin star chef, Asimakis Haniotis, and you have a few different options to choose from. There are buffet menus starting from €65 per person. There are also table service menus that are starting from €77 per person, and you can even choose a 5 or 6 course set menus, and they're starting from €120 per person. You can also opt and customize the dishes or create your own menu. The possibilities are endless. Children up to 12 years old are charged 60% of the adult price on the buffet and the service menus, or you can opt for a separate kids corner, which includes stuff like hot dogs, pizzas, burgers, etc. And those are charged at €37 per kid. There is also late snack option if you'd like to have something at your party, towards the end of the evening, and those are from €7 per person. And if you're wondering where the dance floor is, because of course we're gonna party, the dance floor is just right here in between the ceremony and the dinner venue. The DJ is sitting on the table over there just behind me. All this area is the dance floor. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of today's episode of Finding Your Perfect Cyprus Venue. This was the beautiful Liopetro, and if you'd like to secure your date here, the deposit needed is €1,600. This of course is coming off your final bill. Please note that the music in the party can go up to midnight, so you're having a beautiful day out in the open at this authentic, amazing venue. My name is Rosa-Martina from Royal Wedding Cyprus, and I'll see you on the next one.